Hey guys, welcome, and today I'm going to be making a cover of The Perfect Christmas by Quell and her other assistants. And yeah, I honestly don't know what to say because I am very tired after all of this, and yeah. All credits by Milton Markovay Axie and animation by John Lenti. And yeah, thank you for hearing this and enjoy! Every day throughout the year, now I'm happy in another way. Cause this is finally here. But there's a ton of preparations that will get done. So gather up the decorations and get ready to have some fun. Thinking about red and green, orange and purple and aquamarine, painting around the way it's better together for us to enjoy. Making it perfect is easier than it sounds. Time for teamwork, everyone gotta love. It's a race to put a smile on each face. So spread the magic all over the place. Rolling bubblegum, just when also candy cane. Twinkling toys, shopping rather than sing. The bells are ringing, everyone's singing. I tune the filter when we're holidays ringing. It's on its way, so put your head in the game, and we'll make the perfect Christmas just you wait. Hey everybody, how's your day? It's hard to rip gifts with her. But that's okay, husband's is baking.
They're cute, but they don't taste that good.
Well, very cool, let's give it a go. You give a job to rock? I don't get it twisted. I'm glad for your harsh distance. Go, take a well-earned break, and I'll do my best to fix this. Trust me.
Okay, just let us know if you need anything.
Okay. What was I thinking? I can't fix this Christmas quick enough. All this stuff is just too much for one little tune. No one else can help me move along and do it wrong. It takes too long for me to redo. Guess it's time for multitasking. A perfect Christmas is all I'm asking. I've done it before, I'll do it again. They will adore this Christmas when I wrap the presents, bake all the treats, decorate everything, and cook up a feast, and finally put the snow on top of the tree. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Everything's perfect, it's blurry but I'm proud. It's like a commercial, everyone's going around. But there's no trace of smiles in their faces. They're staring with looks I can't place. It's strange, a change has left my head in such pain. My ears are ringing, the lights are beaming, the air is stinging. Something seeming off, they're not singing. I think they're screaming. My head's cracked and the echoes up and down, but I can't let that answer get me down. It's time to hold your pride in the smile. Cook the Christmas rolls and make it all worthwhile. The table's empty. I think they wanna play hide and seek, that pressure all the festive game. So I'll do my part to get this party started. Ready or not, I'm searching for a year. So in case you forgot your Christmas cheer, I'll find you, remind you that the time is clear for the festive party of the year. 3, 2, 1, ready or not, here I come.